the square root of 333. Square root of 333 is equal 3 times 3 times 37, which is the square root of 9 times the square root of 37, which is 3 square root of 37, which is approximately 3 square root of 37 is 18.25. 18.25. 11b. 11b, here I got 2 square root of 232. So let's see here, 232. 2 goes into 232 116 times. 2 goes into 116. 58. 2 goes into 58. 29. So you got a pair of 2's here. So this would be the same as the square root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 29. So that's the square root of 4 times the square root of 58, which is the same as 2 square root of 58, which is approximately 2 square root of 58, 15.23. 11c. Okay, here I have square root of 452, which is equal to the square root of 4 times the square root of 113, which is 2 square root of 113. Square root of 113. 12a. 12a, here I have the square root of 168, which is equal to the square root of 4 times the square root of 42, which is equal to 2 square root of 42, and that is approximately 12.96. 12b, square root of 301. That can't be reduced or simplified, so that's just approximately 17.35. 12c, square root of 86. That can't be reduced, so it is simplified down to 9.27. 13a. 13a is square root of 210. So let's see, 210. If I prime factor that, turns into 105. 5 goes into that 21 times. 3 goes into that 7. So there is no prime factorization. There's no pairs of factors. Therefore, it's just the square root of 210. And that's approximately equal to 14.49. 13b. 13b, square root of 34. Cannot be reduced, and it is approximately 5.83. 13c, that's the square root of 75, which is equal to the square root of 25 times the square root of 3, which is equal to 5 square root of 3, and that is approximately 8.66. 14a. 14a is the square root of 31. 31 is prime, that can't be reduced, so that's approximately equal to 5.57. 14b, square root of 397, that's prime. 397, that's approximately 19.93. 14c, square root of 44. Let's see, 2 goes into 484. 242. 2 goes into 242. 1. 21. Oh, 11 and 11. Pair of 2s, pair of 11s. So the answer to this is just plain 22 for 14C. Okay, we're going to try and get it all in one sheet here. 15A. 15A, I got square root of 237. That cannot be reduced, therefore it is approximately 15.40. 15b, I have the square root of 20, which is equal to the square root of 4 times the square root of 5, which can be reduced to 2 square root of 5, and that is approximately 4.47. And finally, square root of 128. Let's scroll this down. Square root of 128 is equal, let's see, 128, 2 goes into 128, 64 times, 2 goes into 64, 32, 2 goes into 32, 16, 2 goes into 16, 8, 2 goes into 8, 4, and 2 goes into 4 twice. So I got 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair of 2s. So the square root of 128 is equal to the square root of 4 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 square root of 2. And if you get the decimal approximation, that is approximately equal to 11.31. Done.